Want to add your name and copyright info to your photos on a Canon camera? Most users leave this blank, but it's an easy way to protect your work and show ownership. In this video, I'll show you how to set up copyright and name in your Canon camera. So let's set it up right now. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Then go to the wrench 4 dots tab from the top. Now, here you will see the copyright information option. Select the option, press the set button. Here you will see the enter author's name option. Press on it to set your name. Now type it here. After entering your name, press the menu button. Then select the OK button. Next, press the set button and your name is saved. Now if you want to set more about copyright, then select the enter copyright details option under the enter author's name option. After that, press the set button. Now type details. After that, press the menu button, then select the OK button. Next, press the set button. Now check whether it's saved or not. Scroll up, select display copyright info, press the set button. Here, all saved. This info is saved in the Exif, metadata, or JPEG images, and sometimes in RAW. Once set, all photos taken will include this info automatically. You can update it anytime by repeating the steps. And that's it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks a bunch for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.